Hey guys, Bench here. Today I'm going to show you a track. I started it on other channel. By the way, I decided to make something like a copy of this track by Cassian and YOTTO in the Hool called Love Parade. I guess you know this track because it sounds like that. It's number 2 on the Beatport top 10 of all genres, by the way. I like this track. It has a really simple arrangement, and let me show some parts of this track and I'll explain how I made it. So let me show you. It sounds like that. By the way, you can check my video when I started. I speak other language there, but I guess I, I tried to show all the process of producing this track. So let me show you what we have here. By the way, I added some details by my own, but I used a lot from original track. These parts are from original track, and we have here rhythm section, sounds like that. This genre on Beatport called melodic house techno, but I guess it's something like a mixture between melodic house and techno and progressive trance. We have here this kick and snare. By the way, a lot of tracks are produced using snare. I have clap. I decided to use this snare roll. Something like that. We have heads. I decided to make it by my own. It's something like sidechained heads, because I used other velocity, different velocity here. Yeah, we have a loop. And I decided to use this right. Also, I decided to use other different velocities. Also, we have the bass section. It sounds like that during the whole track. And we have this main melody. Sounds like that, really closer to original track called Love Parade back in the days. Here I try to make my own track with my own melody. I'll show it a bit later. So we have Riz bass here. Yeah, then I decided to make something like a pad. Using this cutoff filter automation. Yeah, and we have something like a copy of the melody. Something like that. I decided to add some details by my own. to make more atmosphere here, and we have a fixed section. Something like that. Then I decided to make my own track using this idea. So I muted these basses here, and I decided to use the same key but a bit other melody and other chords. Yeah, let me show you. So it sounds like that. So you can use this template to make your own track. Maybe you want to change the melody, vocals or something, but I decided to make sort of like a copy of this track first, and then change something in this project to make something unique. Yeah, you can also do that using this project or maybe this video, I don't know, because this track by Cassian, YOTTO and the Hool has a really simple arrangement. I really like how it sounds. Nothing special. I mean, it's not long intro and outro. It's something like we have just a short intro, then we have main theme, and we have this drop with this lead or something, and short outro. That's it. I think it fits cool for festivals or gigs. I don't know. That's why I decided to review this track. So tell me, what do you think about this track in the comments? I don't know. I'll upload this project to my Patreon and Boosty. Feel free to check all the links in the description, and I leave the link in the description to the video where I started. Maybe you want to see it, want to watch it, yeah, something like that. So Mensch was here. Bye bye, guys.